Okay, now the only thing is, are there taxis here? And can those taxis take us to the Caves of Hercules tomorrow? That's the main question.
Yeah, that's
The
our
million
next
dollar,
quest.
the million dollar question. Are there taxis here to take us to the Caves of Hercules? And we'll see. Okay guys, so this is the main mosque and we need to go back the other direction.
Yes.
It is a bit cloudy today. Hopefully it won't rain. And if it doesn't rain, then we'll probably see it later. If it does rain, we'll probably go back to the room. Okay guys,
Okay.
one last.
Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. There are the taxis.
Where?
Yeah, in front of us.
And here are the taxis. I'm sorry guys, I got excited. I want to show you this in a nice way, not just cut the scene, all of that for the taxis, but I got excited. We've been looking for those taxis for a while. But here, again, the mosque, the way it should be seen.
Huge.
It is. I think this is the main mosque. Okay, good. Okay, hey guys, we've just taken a taxi to see the forest, the Hercules Caves, and one more place. We'll tell you when we get there. So, este
Sí,
para YouTube.
sí, sí,
Hacemos vídeos para YouTube y por familia.
sí,
Como por YouTube es sin la hija,
sí,
por familia es con todo.
sí.
¿Y no es problema?
No,
¿Por
es
ti?
no problema.
Vale.
Vale.
¿Puedo introduce?
Presentarte.
¿Presentarte? Para
Le-
todo el mundo.
Todo el mundo, sí.
¿Es bueno o no?
No,
No,
todo el
tú
mundo.
no.
Pero me, no, sí.
Vale, vale, no es problema. No es
No,
problema.
no.
Vale. Okay guys, so this is the view. Es
Okay.
increíble, es increíble.
Sí.
Okay guys, so not everybody likes to be on camera, so we're not going to put, whoever doesn't want to be on camera won't be on camera. So this is the park. ¿Cómo se llama?
Perdigares.
Pertigares.
Sí.
Es painter.
Sí.
Painter.
Painter, sí. Perdigares.
Es increíble. It's incredible. It's huge and it's free. It's huge and it's free. Okay, good. Hi guys, this is the Atlantic Ocean. And as you can see, not too many people are bathing because today is Saturday and apparently tomorrow is the free day. It's beautiful here. It's really amazing. We are on the way to the Hercules Caves, but on the way we're stopping to see different things. When you come here, there are two options to go to the caves. You can either take a private taxi and they take you to 3 different places and they stop along the way to show you different things and he gives some explanations, and of course they're very nice, but they don't really speak English. If you know Spanish or French, you should do okay. English alone would be, it's possible, but it's harder. Anyway, so that's the first option, taking a private taxi. It costs, our guy takes 25 euros, but usually it costs 30 euros and he shows you everything on the way. The other option is taking a share taxi, and then you pay a lot less. You pay about €1 each, but they take you to one place and they leave you there. They don't stay with you, and so you have to catch a different cab back. It's a bit more difficult. And it's probably better to take the private taxi. It's not that expensive. It's only 25 euros and he explains stuff and he's very nice and it's a nice little experience and adventure. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. One last look around and we'll continue on our way. Hello guys, this is Park Spartan.
Yeah.
Cap Spartan. Cap Spartan.
Cap
So we have the lighthouse over there, right?
Yes.
The lighthouse over there. It's a beautiful place. This is the first stop, real stop that we make on the
Yes.
way to the Hercules Caves. So like I said, when you take a private taxi, they take you to 3 different main places.
Yes.
And they stop on the way to see some other stuff. So this
Very
is
interesting stuff, by the way.
very interesting stuff indeed. So this is a Cap Spartan. A few people are right in front of us, so we'll let them pass before we shoot them. Before we shoot, and okay. So this is Cap Spartan, and let us.
Wow, beautiful.
Okay, and we're going to show you the view from over there.
Okay.
But okay.
¿Sabes cuándo fue construido? Okay, hey guys, we're here still at Cape Spartan. I just wanted to tell you there's a restaurant here, yeah? And the prices here are about 2.5 times of the prices in the city, the expensive places. So you'll pay about 2.5 times more if you drink anything or eat anything here in the restaurant. So my recommendation is bring your own drinks and your own food. There's a beautiful place to sit and look at the view and drink and eat, and you don't need to overpay. Okay, but if you don't come with anything and you do want to eat and drink something, you can always sit here and overpay a little bit. Okay, so I just wanted to put that for you to know. Okay, hey guys, we are now at an observatory. No, it's okay. In an observatory. So a lot of people here. This is a selfie place, yeah, selfie place. So this way, this way,
Yeah.
this way to the Mediterranean Sea, and this way to the Atlantic Ocean. Yeah, awesome, amazing. There's everything here. Okay. Ah, vale. ¿Estas los cuevos de Hércules?
No, esta es la cueva de Buen Día.
Cuevas de Buen Día.
Sí, cueva de Hércules, 3 kilómetros.
So this is the Good Day Caves. The Good Day Caves. And many people take selfies here after they came down from Cape Spartan. They come here or on the way up. Okay, perfect. Okay, hi guys. We are at the caves of Hercules Caves. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Now there is a third option to get here. So you can either take a share taxi, which is cheaper, a private taxi, which will cost about 25-30 euros, or you can take the city tour bus, which brings you also to all the points that we were in. Yeah, Cap Spartan, Park Pintor, yeah, Cap Spartan, and Grottes de Hercules. And then you go back. Yeah, so it gives you more or less the same route, and this costs 15 euros per person, and you also get the blue line inside the city. So well, you might think that might be an option. The thing is, they don't have too many of these buses, and sometimes you have to wait for one to arrive. So you might be waiting at stations for a while from one bus to the other. But one person 15 euros, and they bring you to all the touristic points and to all the points inside the city. So it might be worth it as well to take into consideration. Anyway, the taxi guy told us there are 2 ways to enter. One way costs 5 dinar, which is 50 cents, and the other way is free. We'll pay the 5 dinar. To pay $1, €1 to go in is not a problem, and so we'll pay and we'll go in. Okay, so we'll see you inside.